I'm Spencer Neal with Finer Touch Construction. We're here at Project Worth the Wait. Today we're doing a pre-rock superwalk. And the reason we do pre-rock superwalks is because we found that later on in construction, we were having change orders. We were having to cut open walls, move lights, do things because we found that there was mistakes. And so before insulation and drywall, we're really focusing on all of the elements in the home, all of the systems, light layout, mechanical layout, making sure that they're in the correct location, that all of the things that are in our contract, the things that have been specified by the architect, by the designers, all of the elements are incorporated into the home so that once we insulate and drywall, we don't have to undo anything or go backwards. It's really important, and it keeps the quality of the home higher, keeps our finishes better quality, and so we just really do that in an effort to make it better. So it's really important for us at this stage of the home to really look and make sure all of the elements are where we want them, because if we move forward with insulation and drywall, it causes us to have to open up the wall, what we call Swiss cheese the drywall, which we don't like to do. And now you're dealing kind of like more of a remodel situation. Things always do happen, but the more we can catch now, the better off we are and the higher quality home we have in the end. Yeah, so today at our pre-rock superwalk, we've divided up into three teams. We have one team, well, we actually have two teams working on framing. So they're going around with levels, lasers. They're checking to make sure corners are square, headers are nice and level, and also looking for structural items that are required by code. So fire stop, hangers are installed properly. And then we have another team, which is our project coordination team. They're looking at all the design elements to make sure they're in correctly. Niches are in the right spot in the showers. They're looking for appliance locations to make sure the electrical's in the right location for appliances. And then I'm kind of leading another team. We're looking at lighting, mechanical, like down hallways and in bedrooms, because it's really important that lights are either centered, symmetrical, or just have some kind of logical place in the ceilings, because once it's drywall, we want to look up and be able to see that everything's nice and aligned.
So what the guys are doing here is straight edge in the walls. Just helps out the framers identify where the studs are that are twisted or bowed, warped, and then when the framers come back, they'll come and either plane down any studs that are sticking out, or if any studs are bowed the other way, they'll shim out with the cardboard shims. So this just helps the framers identify the areas that we are seeing. We are just kind of checking things over with the team here, and this is what we do before we drywall. We want to make sure we haven't missed anything. We want to make sure the framing's good, hoping to get into insulation and drywall in the next coming weeks. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.